little dusties to this week's video. So this week we have a good old British classic. This week we have the MG Midget. So 1961 to 1979, although really and truthfully it was only till 74, because in 74 the plastic bumper one came out. That was mainly for the Americans, keep them happy. They only had a little engine in them. The Mark 1 and Mark 2s had a 998 and a 1098. The Mark 3 that came out had the 1275, same as the mini engine. The later ones, I think the Mark 4 had the 1500. But they didn't need a big engine because they were such a light, as you can see, little car. It's only missing the wings and a few bits of bumper. The earlier ones had a removable convertible roof, where I think the Mark 3 actually had an unpop and roll back one, just made it a bit more useful instead of having to take the whole thing off. So this I'm doing for a local classic car restorer who's obviously doing it for his customer, and it's about to go to the body shop. So it's come to me for not a full blast. We're going to do in the engine bay, basically the slither down the middle. That's what I've got them down to. There was a little bit of discrepancy what they wanted doing, and I sort of talked them around it a little bit, only just common sense. We were leaving some of the stuff inside because the body shop was happy to rub it down, but I'll show you. It just seemed to make more sense. Let's put a bit of light on the situation. So you can see where they've prepared here. But if you're going to get any trouble with paintwork, it's going to be this old stuff. And they've spent time trying to feather it out, but we've still got rust down here and horrible bits. If we take that all off and, take that all off and make that our primer, then you've got nothing else to worry about. You're not going to get reactions. So basically we're going to go right way through. It's had new floors, but we've got red oxide. That's, oh my life, hang on a sec. No, I've lost it. Oh, Timu special, gotta love it. Yeah, it's got the arches. We're gonna probably take that off. Here, where all this red oxide is here, red oxide's a finishing coat, it's not a primer. We're gonna get this all off. We're gonna get it off through here, because you don't want any, you want a minimal amount of paint and build up on this seam here, because it shows it, and it does look sad when you see them really built up. Again, rear panel, we're going to clear that right off, and then we're going to come through the boot as well. So basically it's this big rip up the centre. We'll leave the quarter panels because the body shop's quite happy. Me personally, I would get that off. Only that we get loads of new panels coming here, and I blast this off, and the amount of spiders webs of rust underneath, because they make the panel, and most of them, they don't bother keying it up and cleaning it, they just wang the coating on top. Not saying they all do, but a high proportion of what I get in is like that. So if you take it all off, it's then keyed up perfectly with a blasting, our primer's on top, or leave it bare and put on whatever you want. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. So unfortunately, someone's turned the flipping heating up, and we've now just gone back into 30-degree temperatures. So it's actually Friday today. I'm just trying to get this all ready in place, get the room all loaded up. So come Monday morning, I can come in early because it's 32, I think, on Monday they're talking. I can come in, crack on, get a good 3-hour blast out the way. I'd like to think and get quite a bit of this done. Get all the engine bay done and get a lot of the inside done. Although they're quite fiddly and tricky. We're not going underneath or anything. So I reckon a good couple of good blasts. No messing about. So there might not be some real close camera shots. There might be a bit of distance watching me. We'll see. I'll try my best. But I am stuck with the weather. And we've got this, we've got a Hillman Imp coming in, we've got a Anglia coming in for Steve Mo Racing. the imps for CA restoration. We have got a Cosworth coming in for Jez at Church Road Body Shop, who is doing the Datsun from the other week. And we have got BMW E30 coming in for BMR Performance. Not a full blast. Sorry about that, that was a bit space invading. That is engine bay inside the car and the boot area. So all bits and pieces. And then we've just had this stuff. So it's a lot of stuff here. It's 635 BMW and I think classiccar. It came in to be, it looked like boat anchor stuff. Really rusty. It came in for a blast and prime, then it's gone blast prime paint, but unfortunately we can't do that. I tried blast and priming, no problem at all, but if you look at this assembly here, I'm only going to do a job to a certain quality because I can't get into it because it's one piece. That there, I would estimate weighs about 300 kilos. It's heavy and I'm straining and killing myself lifting that round, and it's taking me longer because I've got to paint as much as I paint one side as it is, leave it for a day to dry, then flip it over, get the rest. We haven't got the time. As I say, we've got so much stuff coming in. It needs going away, it needs stripping. Now we blast it, a lot of stuff will come undone a lot easier. So it needs stripping, come back, we can blast each bit individually perfectly and then paint it. So I'm going to finish off getting ready, get all the equipment ready, the hat, you name it, ready for Monday morning, and then we're cut to Monday morning where we're going to blast this little beauty. Beauty. Good morning, people. Well, it is just gone 7:30, just coming down the drive at work. It is 20 degrees already. They're thinking it's going to be 32 today. Wednesday's 37. So I thought I'd quickly jump on and say, cue the blasting, because I'm going to get straight in that door, straight in the suit before it gets too hot, because it is getting warm. Right, let's cue the blasting.
I'm lost in the city, still so far from home. I've searched for you all my life. Cast out like a shadow, racing towards the light. I pray to see you one more time. satellites. When I'm old and losing sight, carry me home all through the night. I need your love, I need your light, like city nights and satellites. When I'm old and losing sight, carry me home.
Boy, that was hot. So 85 I think the compressor was when I got out. Oh, it's proper hot in there. Try and eat a biscuit. So that was actually a couple of blasts. I just banged them all together a lot easier. So let's have a look. Let's turn the old lighty up. So pretty nice. It's quite original paint that's on there. There was some extra paint on there, but not too bad. We've got inside all these little crevices down there. You can see, if I move the camera you might be able to see it. All through in here. It's hard to know where to go and not to go because I've got a customer in the body shop telling me, but we got through all in here. In here I've gone into the boxes a little bit, cleared these up. As you can see, it makes them a bit crisper and nicer. In that back panel, both sides, around, through and up. Yeah, on the whole, what we've had to do is not horrendous. Sorry, turn the camera down. Ooh, that's bright. Right, I've given it a good old blow down. Right, I'll just give it one last little go for any dust that's just settled down through the air. And we'll give it a good prime up. Get this all done. All right, we can get this done and out the door. We got panels coming in this afternoon from Colin CA Restoration for the next Hillman Imp. And the shell's coming tomorrow. Tomorrow's 34 degrees. Living the dream. Look at that beautiful bit of vapour in there. Beautiful. Right, I'm gonna be blinded. I'm gonna have a drink now, rehydrate a little bit, and we've got a rehydration drink coming soon. I'll give it a try, see what it's like, see if it's actually any good or a load of old toot. Right, let's have a drink, sweep up, give it a prime.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are.
So there we go, one MG midget all done. It's all fresh and ready to go. Boys are picking it up tomorrow afternoon because obviously it's hot weather. We come in, blast. I'm just getting the room ready now. Get this out, get the next stuff in. We've got Hillman Imp in next. So I want to get it all ready, so crack on with the blast, and then the boys can come after midday and pick this one up straight to the body shop. So, Jim, still doing your car. So now we're up to over 1,000 subscribers. What should they do?
Like and subscribe, ring the bell.
And as Jim was saying the other day, we've got the competition coming. I'm going to do a hoodie. That's not really the right time of the year now. It's 30 odd degrees. But we should do a competition all you'll have to do is share a video and win a hoodie. So thank you for watching. If you did like this, please share, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. The next one will be, not a clue to be honest, but you shall find out if you subscribe. Catch you soon, guys.
I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow. Versailles in the